So this is where we're at with the church. The stage has been redone. It's a bit of a mess right now, but this is what it looks like after the recording of a David Francie album. Lots of snacks, lots of empty cans of beer, some paintings strewn about. David was working on some paintings. So we had a few people here for about a week. Mark Westberg, Darren McMullen, Tara Spencer, all great musicians who live in the Maritimes. And the piano, there's the stage. So a bit of a mess. That's what things look like when you're recording an album. And we'll be packing up today and driving to the Maritimes. At least Mark and Darren will. So lots of gear. This will all be gone in a couple of hours. Of course, empty bottle of whiskey close to it. More cans of beer. We've actually been doing some work up in the bell tower. Can't really tell from here, but that will be for another visit. It's been totally emptied and cleaned, and now we're gonna rebuild it and insulate it. The basement, we're ready to soon excavate the slab. We're gonna drop the floor a couple of inches and put a heated floor in, so big project coming up. Hopefully we'll do that next week before it gets too cold. I want to show you outside what things look like. Here we go. You can see there's lots of earth and stones, small, medium, large. All this comes from the backyard. And the backyard is a bit of a mess right now. I'm trying to do a sunken terrace and reveal that big stone over there. So we've been picking away at this rock and looking to make the new entrance right here below the middle window. So this box here, which is an add-on put on in the 60s, will be taken out and carried away in a container. And basically, when you're in this sunken terrace, it'll just be a level entrance right into the basement. So I'll go up and out of the hole to get a better sense from up there. Beautiful fall day. A bit of frost this morning, but really nice. So more earth with stones, and next week we'll be picking up the stones and stockpile them for the making of a future stone wall. So this is stone that we've stockpiled so far. Lots of stone, different shapes, different sizes. And all of this came out of the ground here at the church, and maybe some of it was part of the foundation of the church that was previously here. Here we've got bricks that we dug up that we might use to patch things if we need. There's some marble, we got some stone steps. We took apart the steps. These are some old terracotta drains, but essentially to excavate the basement and to lower it, we're going to be excavating the entire perimeter of the church, and we'll be insulating it and putting the drains on the outside of the church. So no small job. There's a bit of a weird part here where the church meets the stone bed, and the rock bed. So we're gonna treat this a little differently, but anyways, there might be some crazy action going on here in the next couple of weeks. So from above, I'm standing on the rock. So the entrance to the basement would be just below this window, level in right here, so it would be wheelchair accessible with that ramp over here. So it's nice natural flow to have that rock here so people can come in, terrace, and then walk right into the basement. So that's where we're at, and really looking forward to the next step.